Hello friends, today we are going to learn TEM analysis. In this, we will learn how to index SAED pattern. So our step 1 is basic formula. As we know, Bragg's law equal to 2d sin theta equal to lambda. Here lambda is wavelength, and since theta is very small, so we will take sin theta equal to theta, and this is part of evolved sphere. Here we know L is the camera length and R is the distance between two spots, and in this we will get tan 2 theta equal to R by L. Here also theta is very small, so tan 2 theta equal to 2 theta, so here we will get theta equal to R by 2L. In this two formula we will get RD equal to L lambda, and L lambda is constant, so D is proportional to 1 by R. So by this R2 by R1 equal to D1 by D2, and since D equal to A by under root H square K square L square, so by putting the value of D we will get R1 by R2 equal to this. Our next step is measure R1, R2 and R3 and angle between them. So this is our SAED pattern. From the center point we will measure that R1 distance, R2 distance and R3 distance and angle between them. So here we got 45-degree angle, and this is our R1, R2 and R3 value. Step 3 is calculation of ratio. So this R1 by R2 gives 1.41, R3 by R2 also gives 1.41, and R3 by R1 is 1. So based on this ratio we can calculate the HKL value. So this is the standard chart of H square K square plus L square for cubic crystals. So as we know, this is simple cubic, so we will see this HKL value. As we know from equation 1, R1 by R2 equal to this. So in this H1, K1, L1 or S2, K2, L2 values, we will select some HKL value from this chart to satisfy this 1.41 ratio. So this is hit and trial method, so you can start from beginning. So we can take 100 or 110 values. So after putting this value in this equation, we are getting under root 2 by under root 1, which gives 1.41. so which satisfies this equation. So we can say here H1 K1 L1 is 110 and S2 K2 L2 equal to 100. Further we have to clarify this by measuring the angle between them. So by this formula, cos theta equal to H1 S2 plus K2 K1 plus L1 L2 divided by under root H1 square plus K1 square plus L1 square into under root S2 square K2 square plus L2 square. We will get theta equal to 45 degree, which satisfy our SAED pattern. So based on this we can say our HKL value is 110 and 100. So here we can see this R1 point after R1 distance is 110 and point after B is 100. So as we know that vector sum of 2 point is this, so OA or OC gives OD, so this one become 200, and since B is a half distance of D, so it will be 100. So based on this you can calculate other points, and as we know that reverse points gives the reverse value. So if a point is 1 1 0, so this point will be -1 -1 0. So according to this you can also measure other points, like this one. This is 1 -1 0, so this will become -1 1 0, and this also 0 1 0, and then it will become 0 -1 0. So that is for simple cubic crystal structure. Like this you can also measure FCC and BCC crystal structure indexing, and this chart is for BCC crystal structure, and this one is for FCC and diamond cubic crystal structure. Based on this chart you can easily see the HKL ratio, and based on this you can also index our crystal system. So thank you friends. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel, and if you have any doubt, please comment in comment section. Thank you.